In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bullet in PDFescape. Open your web browser and head to PDFescape.com. On the homepage, choose Free Online so you can work right in your browser without installing anything. When the online editor loads, select Upload PDF to PDFescape. Click Choose File, then pick the PDF you want to edit from your computer. Give it a moment to upload and open in the workspace. PDFescape doesn't include a built-in bullet list button like a word processor. Instead, we'll create bullet-style items using interactive checkboxes combined with typed text. This approach looks clean and also lets readers check items if they're using a compatible PDF viewer. On the left toolbar, click Form field. A small panel will appear. Open the drop-down in that panel and choose Checkbox, then press Select. Your cursor changes to a crosshair. Click on your page exactly where you want the first bullet to appear. If the checkbox isn't the size you prefer, you can drag its corners to resize, and drag it to nudge it into position so it aligns nicely with your text area. Add more bullet points by clicking again wherever you want additional checkboxes. Keeping consistent spacing between checkboxes will make the list look professional. Zoom in if you need precision. It's much easier to line things up when you can see the details clearly. Next, switch to the text tool from the left toolbar. Click to the right of your first checkbox and type the text for your list item. You can adjust the font, size, and color from the formatting bar so the text matches your document's style. Repeat that process for each item. Click near the next checkbox and type the corresponding text. If something looks off, use Undo to step back, or click and drag to reposition either the checkbox or the text until it looks just right. If you're building a longer list, keep an eye on alignment. Placing the first checkbox and its text exactly where you want them sets a visual standard. Then as you add the rest, match their horizontal position and spacing for a neat, uniform layout. That's all there is to it. By combining checkboxes with typed labels, you've effectively created bullet points in PDFescape, giving you a clear, organized list that's easy to read and, if needed, interactive for your audience.